what are we doing?
We're getting a blizzard. The news told us to.
Yeah, we live in Texas and they said that we're getting a blizzard, so we had to come to Dairy Queen and get a free blizzard. A small Snickers. So we just ordered a blizzard and apparently it's not free, so I'm not sure what the news was talking about that we're getting a blizzard. So, do you know somewhere that has a blizzard besides DQ? Because DQ is the only thing that came to mind.
And the news said that it was a blizzard.
No, they said people, everyone, by the way, it's an actual blizzard people.
We're getting an actual blizzard, but they charged us for it instead of giving it to us free.
No, I'm saying blizzard as in a blizzard.
How's y'all's blizzards?
I don't know why they act like a blizzard's a bad thing.